Yo, what's up, everybody? Today was a great day of trading. I've been talking about this gold silver breakout for a long time. I've been planning for it. And, they say luck is when preparation meets opportunity. And that's definitely what happened today. So made some killer profits today for me and for my clients. $4,300 personally, and some withdrawals made. So I want to show you those profits to show you that this is actually a real thing. And then what I'm doing is trading breakouts. How I'm trading gold, my strategy for metals. Precious metals is the commodities I typically trade. I trade oil as well, but lately gold and silver have been the big players, and this breakout strategy works very, very well. So I want to go over that with you all, and I want to make this short video as well, as much as I can. So I will screen share with you. Let's see here. And a super exciting day. I forwarded this over $1,700 on this account. And what I was doing is hedging on these gold trades. And so we had some gold, UJ, crude hit stop loss, but the end of the day profits was $1,400 and $1,100 withdrawal and $1,200 on this longer term account that I'm holding these trades for, where I'm trading gold and silver as well. And you can see I would have made more had I not been trying to sell it at the top here, and that never works out. But had some great entries down low, and so that's what I want to go over here and talk about. And so basically we were in this bull flag pattern for quite some time. In fact, since August is when this decline happened. And at first it looked more like a descending triangle, but now the more it started to really flesh out, I would call this a bull flag. And so when you see these structures start to accumulate and build, here's another bull flag pattern. You can really capitalize on when these moves happen. Okay, so if you've been following my channel for a while, some of this material isn't new, but maybe if you see me for the first time, hopefully you get something out of this video. Either way, so I had this big demand supply zone, or in other words, support and resistance, mapped out here. And so I was planning, I was waiting, and really trying to, and just scalping in these small moves here on the time leading up here. But it was pretty hard trading. But the big thing was, and this happened on Christmas Eve, and Christmas is a good Christmas present for sure. Today's the 26th, and I was looking for this breakout, and when you see these moves, more often than not, you have a higher percentage of catching, of buying this breakout, of catching these moves and the market to continue. And I knew there's a lot of gold bulls, people that are bullish metals, people that are wanting the price to appreciate, buyers of gold. In other words, I'm waiting for this along with myself. And so when we got this move, I started to get entries in down here, 1480, 1485. And, I would have made a lot more had I held this trade longer. But I did want to, a lot of these trades, you could see that they had hit stop loss, but that was from, us getting taken out. Because what I was doing is I was putting an entry in here, taking some profits along the way as the price was moving up and appreciating, and then moving the stop loss up. So this is a tactic that can really help you save your account, for one, and then also help you manage the profits that you're pulling in. And right now I'm really hoping for a dip here back to 1495. I have a kind of this cross trend line. A lot of my trading I do to map out my trends are by using fractals. I think it's a very effective and easy way, and especially the way it's laid out on this iPad. It's why I continue to use this to trade with. I do use TradingView, but this is, it just turns it into these little dots. And so then I can really just kind of pinpoint where these support and resistance, I call them pressure points on the market are. So if we can get a dip down to 14.95, this will be great. So what I'm doing is I'm looking to buy and get these good entries, and then moving my stop loss as the trade progresses. I'll show you here on silver. Silver even more so. You can go on my Instagram page, Ronan Forex Group, and see where I've been posting about this. And you know, I was posting down here at this breakout, and you know, had, as soon as we got above $17.05, you know, I started placing buys, and I've taken profit once we hit this 50% retracement. And so now my strategy is that I've traded the breakout. I know, you know, this breakout's happened. And so what I'm looking to do is now I've established a bias that we're going to continue to go higher. You know, after this RSI hopefully resets itself, we make a lower high here, you know, back to 1750. That would be amazing. And then, you know, the trend resumes higher. We've had this higher high, say we get a lower high here, and then another higher high, and then that means a new trend is established. So getting in this trend as it reverses means these profits that I took today, it's not going to be the end of it, right? So long term, you know, we're more than likely, typically in these type of scenarios, you know, we equal the pole. If this is a flag, this is more of a descending triangle here, but we would equal the top of this descending triangle, the breakout point. So that means we got a lot higher to go. And if we can really secure a good entry here, be patient, you know, we can bank some more profits, and we'll be trading this exclusively into 2020. And I mean, if we go to a weekly chart here, this is my long-term look at this, monthly. We could be going much higher, and you know, moved up, consolidation pattern, and this could be the start of something much bigger than what's being shown in this chart. So that being said, that's how I made $4,300 today, and continuing to compound my trading account. So I hope you found this video helpful. Just to recap, we're looking to, one, establish a breakout pattern, a pattern that is a breakout pattern, like a bull flag, a descending triangle in the case of what we just seen here. Establish the pattern, wait for the actual move and some sort of confirmation, play the breakout, trade the breakout, and then wait for, and now our bias has been established, and wait for a good dip and an entry to really buy into. So this is going to be a good play. I'm really happy and excited about it, and I hope it gets you all excited too. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. There's tons of great content, and check my group out below. We have an amazing community, very good vibes, and I teach these methods and have some students with some amazing success. So I hope if you're having some trouble trading, maybe you're having some trouble getting consistent and looking for a way to really simplify this process, check me out, man. I would love to have you as a student. Or maybe you're a seasoned trader and you're just looking for a great group to be a part of. We would love to have you, man. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.